Mga kapuso, this morning makisayod kita sa mga activities sa Hermosa Festival sa Zamboanga City. Atong makauban kadong buntaga ang head sa City Events ug co-chairperson sa Zamboanga Hermosa Festival na si Sir Christian Olasiman. Sir Christian, buenos dias and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you, sir?
Thank you po. Muchas gracias, Attorney Resi, at sa lahat po ng nakikinig. Buenos dias a todos.
Sir, ngayon po ang pangalawang pagkakataon na isi-celebrate natin ang Hermosa Festival sa panahon ng pandemya. Ano naman po ang mga preparasyon na inyong ginagawa?
Yes, the celebration is already ongoing. In fact, we kicked off the celebration last October 1, which is the traditional kick-off or opening salvo of the month-long festival. This year, like the previous year, because of the pandemic, we have embraced our hashtag SafeHermosa 2021, just to emphasize that while we celebrate the fiesta in the city, we still comply with our minimum health protocols, that to remind our constituents that while we are experiencing all the activities, we need to still ensure that we take care of ourselves. We're responsible with our actions, particularly complying with our protocols such as wearing of our face mask and face shield, social distancing and hand sanitizing among others that are in place for the fiesta celebration.
Siyempre, excited na rin po kaming malaman kung ano po ba yung mga events and activities ang aasahan ng ating mga kapusong Zamboangueño.
Yeah, with the celebration, we're done with our opening salvo right now. We're looking forward for the third season of Zamboanga Idol. It's a singing competition in the city. We also have our Zamboanga Hermosa Art Competition. Meron din po tayong Mobile Legends Hermosa League. Maliban dito, we also are looking forward for Las Ofrendas de Flores. It's a motorcade wherein we bring the image of our patroness na si Señora Virgen del Pilar, whose feast day is on October 12. So on October 11, dadalhin po namin siya sa lahat po ng mga barangay sa buong syudad. This is also a way for us to bring the image of Our Lady of the Pilar closer to our communities, especially those na hindi po nakakalabas. Of course, October 12 is the feast day of Our Lady of the Pilar. We're also looking forward for all the religious activities being prepared by the Archdiocese of Zamboanga to include our Pontifical Mass in the afternoon. Maliban dito, ongoing rin po yung ating Vinta display. Wala pong Regata de Zamboanga, one of the most kumbaga yung attractions kumbaga ng festival. Wala po this year. But for those who wanted to see the Vintas, naka-display po sila, no, yung ating mga bangka na may mga Vintas are all displayed at Paseo del Mar and at the entire stretch of the Artelim Boulevard. So at least ramdam pa rin din yung colorful sales ng ating Muslim communities in the city are part of the celebration. Maliban dito, yung Mascota de Zamboanga is scheduled October 16. So we're also looking forward to that. Yung Cosechas de Zamboanga is also ongoing until October 20, wherein we feature our agricultural products. Yung mga vegetables and seafood natin are also on sale, including ornamental plants for our plantitos and plantitas naka-display rin sa Plaza Pershing. So for those who are interested to visit and support our local farmers, they can also drop by Plaza Pershing for our Cosechas de Zamboanga. We also have the original Chavacano Video Music Festival. It's our annual music festival. It's a composition, a song composition and song performance at saka music videos na rin combined. So it's a celebration of Chavacano, yung ang lengguwahe po ng Zamboanga, that's 80% Spanish. So it's also a way to preserve our culture, our heritage, especially our language, a celebration of the Chavacano language being participated by our music artists, especially young people in the city. Meron kaming TikTok competition, nakahilera rin yan sa ating calendar of activities.
Sir Christian, din po sa mga competitions na na-mention po ninyo, paano po ba makakalahok ang ating mga kapuso?
Yes po, it's still open, no. For some competition, bukas pa rin po, like yung TikTok competition natin, that's still open. Yung original Chavacano Video Music Festival, I think nagsubmit na siya ng mga entries. So for those who are still interested, they can visit us at the Public Information Office at City Hall, or they can also check out the Zamboanga Hermosa Festival Facebook page online, and they can send us a message for their inquiries if they wanted to participate or send an entry.
And of course, saan po ba nila pwedeng mapanood ang mga events na na-mention po ninyo, Sir Christian?
Yes po. the entire festival, especially our big events, are all online. No, halos wala kaming live events. It's really virtual to follow our protocols and to ensure it's a safe Hermosa 2021 for everyone. It's really virtual. So for all our shows, it's gonna be aired at the Zamboanga Hermosa Festival Facebook page, including the Beng Climaco Facebook page, the page of our mayor. Pwede po nilang mapanood yung mga activities and competitions online via Facebook. And including our official YouTube channel, that's at Sambo City Gov. So they can also check that out, Zamboanga City Official. Maliban dito, the Archdiocese is really our partner. No? In fact, they have also live streamed their novena masses and other religious activities in relation to the fiesta celebration. So for those who cannot make it, they have an option to participate virtually in our religious activities.
And finally, any message po para sa lahat ng ating mga kapuso sa Mindanao, lalong-lalo na ang mga Zamboangueño?
Con todo quien tamira ahora, especialmente di ato mga kapuso sa Zamboangueño, ta-imbita kami kuno sa todo kay manhunto-hunto na celebration del Hermosa Festival mientras ta-obserba kita di ato mga minimum health protocols to ensure na protektado kita todo kontra el COVID. Let us hope and pray that with the celebration of the fiesta, we pray to God and to Our Lady of the Pilar to protect the city and protect its people and celebrate the fiesta safely while we also highlight our cultural diversity and our resiliency as a people. Muchas gracias y vaya con Diyos a todos.
Maraming salamat, Sir Christian, sa panahon po na ibinigay ninyo dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Thank you rin po.